Okay, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. If you're new here, name's Arkel. It's my channel. Here's my shop, my cars. Here's what it's all about. So over the last few years, I've grown a crumbling addiction to the car culture, if you will. Actually, and to be honest with you, it isn't even something that is new. It's something that I have been fascinated with all of my life. I love cars, dude. I grew up around cars, a bunch of big brothers, car competitions, you know how it goes. And so here we are. Fast forward to today's time. I'm not only building 1, 2, 3, and technically this isn't my car. However, it's my channel, so it is build number 4. Project number 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't even think I'm gonna record that one, but that is another project. I'm not gonna go into detail on these. Moral to the story, there's a lot of work that needs to be done here. Now, a lot of people on YouTube actually don't take into account how much work it does take to upkeep a place like this. And trust me, it is a lot. As you can see, I'm in a warehouse. I have to figure out how I can essentially turn this into a more functional space for myself to work in and out of. And to put into perspective, it is hard to upkeep, maintain, clean, and do all those things in once. So bear with me, because fortunately, I'm gonna show you guys some of that process because it's not an easy one. It is challenging. Come along with me for the growing pains. That's kind of how I see it. I promise to keep you guys entertained, or at least try to entertain you along the way. As you can see, plenty of stuff that still needs to be organized and cleaned, and that's kind of what I've been doing and trying to keep up with. Sometimes I do forget my camera, and that can be a pain as well, but we're working through it. Stick around. We've got some good stuff coming along the way. Now I'm gonna head back to work because I got some other stuff to record. Peace out. Thanks for checking this out. See you guys soon.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.